Hello everybody and welcome back to Final Fantasy III Pixel Remaster. Last time, we defeated Gatsuko and give it back the Arctic the two Horns of Ice. So, but someone tells me that the Hein Castle, the Hein town is being invaded. So, I'm going to retake it. Without further ado, let's continue the let's play. What the hell? Anywho, Oh my god. Goodness me. There we go. That's a decent bit. Okay. So cool. Nope. Can't move. There they are. Seize them. Take that and that. Bring them along the castle. Bring them along. Castelline is always in need of fresh servants. Wait, what? That traitor Hein has hidden King Argus' blade, the royal sword, somewhere. He managed to gain immense strength, but it changed him. Now he's consumed by an unquenchable thirst for power. I find a way out, an opening in the corner to my left. I won't live long enough to escape, but you might use this to shrink themselves. Oh. Well then. Master Hein was Argus' most trusted advisor until the earthquake. It's like he's been at the behest of some dark force ever since. The warlike Hein carved this castle out of the elder tree and cursed it to roam the desert at his bidding. I mean. Okay, thank you. I'm Argus, the ruler of the castle north of the desert, but I can hardly call myself a king and all my subjects are missing. Hein cursed my soldiers, you see, bending them to his will. Blast it all. He was once my most trusted advisor. Alright, Your Majesty. I will be fine. What matters is that you find Hein and defeat him. Left. Oh, okay. Everyone is miniaturized. Let's go. Okay. Oh dear. Nice. Ow. Okay. Okay. Oh no. He is level 2 now. Hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Preemptive. Alright. Okay. No. Mm-hmm. 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 Nice. Ow. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Die. Mm-hmm. Alright. Oh! Thank you for that. Oh, okay, demon. Alright. Oh, nice. Julius, alright. Oh. Oh, alright. 3,000 gil. 3,300. First, let's check if there's any treasures. Alright. Zeus Rat, Phoenix Down. Oh. No! Okay. Okay. Level 4. Marcus job level is level 4. Okay. Nice. $30. 100. 250, man. Mm-hmm. 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 Nice. Oh, nice. Mm-hmm. Okay, blind. We can defeat him through blind, huh? Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mhm. Nice one. Hmm. It's high in the mage. This fountain of corruption, dark power is truly spectacular. You could never understand. With this power, I can move forest, control armies. I can hold the world in the palm of my hand. All those who dare oppose me will be annihilated. We'll see. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Nice. There you go. Okay, still. Ah, okay. That's wrong. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. You really love to target him, huh? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, nice. Study. Diba? Mhm. Okay. Ice. Okay. Mm. Oh! Oh my god. Okay. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. Ba? Knew it. Mhm. Mhm. Ow! Okay. Lightning. Yes! Woo! Oh man, I went silent on that for a moment. God dang it. Oh. Ah. Defeated. You stupid idiot. There's a voice coming from the wall. Warriors, I thank you. Wait a minute. Did the wall just speak? I am the elder tree of the living woods. Hein cast a powerful curse on me. Thanks to you, that curse is now broken. I am in your debt. Before I head back to my woods, I will return the humans locked within my walls to where their roots belong. Huzzah! Thank you. Let us be hope. The journey may not be smooth, but journeys seldom are. Mm. Oh, wait, what? You have arrived. Saplings you may alight. Let's get down. Oh, at long last I am back where I belong. Thank you. To save our woods, how heroic. Darkness threatens to envelop our world. You have been chosen by the light to ensure balance is not upset. Take this with you. Use it to find your way when darkness blocks your path. Obtain the fang of wind. Okay. Hein's atrocities wrought havoc within my roots and trunk. I fear I must refuse visitors to these woods for at least a millennium while I heal. Warriors, you have my thanks. Now go and dispel the darkness of the world. You are our last hope. Oh. Whoops! We are not allowed. I forgot. Okay. The end. Bomb fragment. So cool. You saved the town, thank you. Okay, the same as well. Oh man, this is so... Not gonna lie though, we saved the town. At least. Lamia scale. Oh wait, how can we pass that? Okay. Nice stuff. Okay. You save the town. Beyond the desert, far to the west, is a village full of eccentric people who claim to be a descendant of from the ancients, whatever that means. The folks who were captured by Hein's men have returned. Thank you for rescuing them. You save us. We are forever in your debt. You're the people who defeated Hein. You're so cool. Thank you. To be honest, we didn't deserve it. Wow. You save us, we are forever in your debt. You saved the town, thank you. Oh! Oh, what? Kempogi. What the hell? What are those items? Kempogi. Oh. Okay. Please, we are, Okay. Alright. You are forever in your debt, huh? Okay. Thanks to you, our citizens have returned safely from Castle Hein. Thank you. My husband is back safe and sound. Thank you so much. Where can we sleep? Alright. That was a short one, eh? Okay. Ow. Ow. Okay. 26,000. Hi, man. What should we do next? Okay, I forgot to screenshot the thumbnail. Okay. Okay. Okay, one hit. Okay. Back. We are going to Castle Argus. Ow. Oh. Never do that. Mhm. 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 Nice. The base level was not. Mhm. Wires of Light, thank you for saving the kingdom. Greetings, brave warriors. You have restored peace in my kingdom. You know not the depth of my appreciation. Please accept this in return. It is the wheel of time, a device said to be constructed by the ancients. It has been in my family for generations. Take it to a man named Sid in Canaan. Oh, you are already acquainted. Then I will spare my explanation. Go to him now, warriors. Receive the wheel of time from King Argus. Our continent is actually suspended in the air. Some people call it the floating continent. Some say the wheel of time is a perpetual motion machine. In battle, a knight will protect whoever is closest to death. The fourth scones on the right, it rides open a hidden passage. Thieves are masters at picking locks. They can unlock doors without needing the key. Alright, thank you for the hint. Okay. The same. I never thought I would be really thankful for that. Oh, alright then. The door is locked. Your tip skills easily open the lock. Oh, Book of Fire, Ice Arrow, Book of Light, Fire Arrow, Book of Ice, Scholar Robe. Alright. Okay. Oh, hello. I'm researching elixirs. You've heard of elixirs, right? The legendary healing draft. Well, you came just at the right time. I finished brewing 2 of them. Here, take them with you. Oh, thank you very much. And I will take what's behind this, like arrow, phoenix down, ice helm, ranger. For now, let's do the ranger stuff. Wrong. Oh man. And ano, light for now, because we are going in the seas. And then take the nice. Thank you so much and bye bye. There you go. Dead. Okay. Okay, nice. Oh man, too strong. Anywho, wait. Let's check the girl. How is she doing? What? He threw himself into the surface in the Tower of Owen. He's probably fine. Oh, this. Please be alright. First, that's grounded this turn. Selena said, and then he absently leaves town. He said, oh. Dash. Oh man. What great sacrifice did you do in that tower? If we only had the wheel of time. Ah! The wheel of time. With this, I can make you a new airship. Just a sec. I'll make the Enterprise into the finest airship of all. Back in a jiffy. Alright. Goodbye. Finished. When you're on the open ocean, press the confirm button to convert the ship into an airship. You can only make landing on water, so be careful. Sorry, I couldn't remember how to get it to land on solid ground. Alright. It's a convertible ship now. Oh yeah. Okay, thank you very much. For now, let's go to the... Holy moly. I hope I am correct. Alright. Off cam, I grinded a little bit. So, Oh, I hope it didn't break immersion here. Oh my, how many years has it been since we've had the visitors, and hardly anyone travels all the way out here. Wow! Alright. Well, at least there's an inn. Hey! You can just trace all over my price pages. So, how can we cross then? Okay, walk. Oh. Again. Really? Oh. Crystal greens. Let me tell you a secret. You know how chocobos love Giselle greens, right? Well, here's to find the leader of the chocobo flock that leads in chocobo forest. Put a bushel of Giselle greens by the tree in the middle of the woods. If you're lucky, you may get a glimpse of that big fella. Okay, thank you for that. Okay, two things. Ow! Okay, where should I get that monster? Fat chocobo can store up items in its tummy. Convenient, but so unhygienic. I'm a desert. Let me show you guys. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. What do you sell? Okay. Mm. Mm. Oh. Okay, magic key. Bye. Okay, let's go to the skies. Okay. Oh. The smell of chocobo is in the air. Okay. The fat chocobo appear. Hey, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me. Nothing. Nothing to hide about. Okay, let's go. Dead. Dead for good. Dead for good. Nice. Wow. Okay. Oh. Sorry. Okay. Oh, chocobo. I do think village of the ancients. We are descendants of the ancient creators of civilization as you know it. We live in harmony with nature as is our creed. So which means this is the people who invented the float. They floated the whole place, the whole continent. I dare you to secure the whole continent on a chocobo. I'll give you a prize if you do. Okay, circling the whole continent. You want me to do that? Alright. Challenge accepted, young lad. Hmm? Okay. Secure teleportation. Mm. 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 Level 1. Wait, first. Oh, okay. Okay. The Wrath of Light, a catastrophic flood of power, was caused by the ancients. They used the crystals to harness the power of light, but struggled to contain its burgeoning energy. Light was unleashed on the world, causing untold ruination to all humanity. In the end, four warriors of the world of dark came and subdued the flood of power. The few remaining ancients regrouped and came to live here in this village. Okay. Would you believe me if I said this whole continent was floating in the air? Okay. It's true, the ancients discovered a way to suspend the very earth, a wonder that continues to this day. The Tower of Owen provides the power that keeps us afloat. Okay. Chocobos nest in a forest due east of here. Have you been by any chance? Light and dark are living forces. When the time is right, they choose four young heroes unto whom they bequeath their powers. The warriors of dark were four such people chosen to save the world from the wrath of light. But the balance has shifted once more, and is up to you to restore the light. Do not abuse this awesome power. We have but one rule: surrender to the greater will of the world. One cannot rely on modern machinery. Oh. 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 Okay, finished. We will use that sword later. Okay. So which means the ancients was the cause of the catastrophic event here in Earth. But what happened to the other ones? Alright. Let's take the challenge of this guy. Let's explore the whole continent. So let's circle the whole continent with just a chocobo. If that is true, eh, I hope that will be easy. Oh yeah, we will circle the whole continent. Okay. Okay, let's take this side quest because maybe that is true. Okay. Oh, what the hell? Okay. You actually went and did it. You made all the way around the continent on a chocobo. Here's your prize. Oh my... What the hell? Oh, Lord. Woo! That was stupid. Well, at least I have the credit. Okay. Mm-hmm. Kainan. Okay. Alright. Let's end this episode. I don't know what to do now, so I finished one quest, so let's end this. So thank you for watching again, everybody. Follow for more. You know, do the usual YouTube stuffs. Follow for more content on this game, so we can finish it early. And then bye bye everybody. Deus Volt.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our brave boys do know